Good morning, students. I am Sitaram, chemistry faculty member, APSWR Junior College, Kuntamukala. Today, we are going to learn the chapter Solutions. The definition of a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called a solution. Two or more components is a solution. The homogeneous mixture means the composition and the properties of a solution should be uniform throughout the mixture. Then only it is called a homogeneous mixture. So I am repeating the definition again. A homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called a solution. Here we study only binary solutions. A binary solution means that solution contains or that solution is made up of two components. They are one solute and the other is solvent. Solute and the other is solvent. Solvent is the component of a solution in major quantity than solute. The solute is the component of the solution in smaller quantity when compared to solvent. The solutions having water as solvent are called aqueous solutions, and the solutions having solvent alcohol are called alcoholic solutions. In some solutions, the solvent may be different from either water or alcohol. Those solutions are called non-aqueous solutions. So, to know the composition of a solution, we have to learn the concentration of solute in solutions. The different concentration units are number one, molarity. This molarity is represented with the letter capital M. The units are moles per liter. The units are moles per liter. M is equal to N by V, where N is number of moles of solute and V is volume of solution in liters. M is equal to N by V, where N is number of moles of solute and V is volume of solution in liters. The mathematical formula to calculate the molarity M is equal to 1000 W by GMW into V, where W is equal to weight of solute in grams GMW is equal to molar mass of solute and V is equal to volume of solution in ml. Volume of solution in ml. Now let us solve a numerical problem. Please note down. Calculate the molarity of a solution calculate the molarity of a solution containing 4 grams of NaOH in 500 ml solution. Please note down the problem. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 4 grams of NaOH in 500 ml solution. The formula to calculate the molarity M is equal to 1000 W by GMW into V. W is equal to weight of the solute in grams, that is 4 grams. GMW is equal to molar mass of NaOH. NaOH. The atomic weight of sodium is 23 plus oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. Therefore, total 40. Therefore, the molar mass of NaOH is 40. V is equal to volume of solution in milliliters, that is equal to 500 ml. On substituting in the above formula, M is equal to 1000 into 4 by 40 into 500. This is 2. This is 10 times 2 by 10. 0.2 m. Therefore, the molarity of the solution is 0.2 m. 0.2 m. Okay, is it clear? Second problem. Note down. Calculate the mass of solute to prepare 250 ml of (0.2 m) Na2CO3 solution. Again I am repeating, calculate the mass of solute to prepare 250 ml of 0.2 molar Na2CO3 solution. We know the formula. M is equal to 1000 W by GMW into V. Therefore, W is equal to M into, on cross multiplication, GMW into V by 1000 grams. Molarity is 0.2. Gram molecular weight is 106 and volume is 250 by 1000. This is 4 times 0.1. This is 53. Therefore, 5.3 is the answer. 0.2 into 106 into 250 by 1000. That is the second problem, and we can solve the problems based on molarity using this formula. Next concentration unit is molality. Molality. Next concentration unit is molality. It is represented with small m. It is denoted by small m. The definition of molality is the number of moles of solute in 1000 grams of a solvent or 1 kg of a solvent. Again, the definition is molality is defined as the number of moles of solute in 1 kg of a solvent or 1000 grams of a solvent. Therefore, the units of molality are moles per kg. Molality of the units of molality are moles per kg. Moles per kg. The formula to calculate molality is M is equal to 1000 W by GMW into capital W, where small w is equal to weight of solute in grams. GMW is equal to we can say gram molecular weight or molar mass. Molar mass of solute, where capital W is weight of solvent in grams. Weight of solvent in grams. We can solve the numerical problems based on molality using this formula. Using this formula, we will do one or two numerical problems also. Just we will go to a comparative study between molarity and molality in some aspects. Molarity is represented with capital M, and molality is represented with small m. The units of molarity are moles per liter, and the units of molality are moles per kg. Moles per kg. The temperature dependency is molarity decreases with increase in temperature. That is, as the temperature increases, the molarity of the solution decreases. But in the case of molality, it is independent of change in temperature, temperature independent molality. So, the concentration unit that is independent of temperature is molality among molarity and molality. Molarity of a solution decreases with reagent temperature, but molality is independent of temperature. That is, it will not change with increase or decrease of temperature. Moreover, the definition is also different. The number of moles of solute in 1 liter of a solution is defined as molarity, and the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of a solvent is defined as molality. Till now, this is the comparative study between molarity and molality. Molarity and molality. Now, let us know the previous points just to recollect them. The first one is define molarity. Second one is define molality. Third one is what are the units of molarity and morality? The fourth point is define a solution, and the fifth one is what is an aqueous and alcoholic solution, and numerical problems are molarity and molality, and the numerical problems are molarity and molality. Okay, go through these questions and answer them carefully, and in next session we go to another topic, and the remaining topics of the solution are clearly taught in next session. Thank you.